This is going to be a demonstration on how to put together an Eisencraft Santa Maria grill. Ideally, it should be put together by two people. However, if you're on your own, you can still do it. I'm 71 years old and I can handle this by myself, so most people should be able to do it, if that's the case. First, what we'll do is we get this assembly off the ground. We have a single fastener right here. It's a 3/8 bolt. And we remove the lock washer and the nut. What we'll do next is we're going to lift the column assembly and we'll install it like this. Insert the nut just temporarily so it'll work like a pivot, and then we'll proceed by lifting this up and put another bolt in diagonal. We lift here with our leg, go like this. Press this bolt. There we go. That's stable enough. So next, we get the two additional bolts, two lock washers, two nuts. Okay, that does this part. Next, I will rotate the unit so I can show how the next of the assembly goes, okay? The next items will be the bricks. Next we installed the grease tray. Here's for the grease dripping stand. Last, we have the actual grill assembly. And the final item, which is the door to remove the ashes, and also if you're using an optional brasero, which is a side burner for your wood, and then you move the coals in there, then you remove this and you can use that attachment.